I'm Errol Weiss, Health-ISAC's Chief Security Officer, and I've got a simple tip on how you can keep yourself safe and secure online. We're going to talk about multi-factor authentication. When it comes to staying safe online, it really comes down to one thing. The best defense is a good offense. So what are you going to do to stay proactive? Well, use strong passwords. I've talked about that in another video, but let's talk about turning on multi-factor authentication. If you do that, I promise you, you will make yourself a much harder target for the bad guys to go after. So what is multi-factor authentication? Well, it comes down to what you know, your password, and what you have, a token. That token might be a physical token. It might be a biometric like a thumbprint, facial recognition, or maybe a text message sent to your cell phone. With the combination of all of that, you're logged into your website. So take the next step and protect all of your accounts. All your major financial institutions and online retailers support multi-factor authentication. Plus, I put a few on the screen here that you should look into as well, especially your email. Use Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, or Microsoft Live, for example. Follow these instructions and turn it on. I'll put these links in the show notes. Once you've set up multi-factor authentication on a website, you probably won't have to set it up again unless you log in from a new device. The good news is if the bad guys have your username and password, they won't be able to get into your account because they won't have that token. For more tips on online security, come check out our Cybersecurity Awareness Month page here. And remember, the best defense is a good offense. So take a proactive step to help you stay safe online.